Hello guys, the market will be open in 4 minutes and let's get to the charts real quick. Today I'm gonna be trading on demo since I already blew my account, unfortunately, but whatever. Fuck, it's not loading. Okay. Okay. How can I... Fuck, I didn't use that broker for a while, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, where am I like start? Yeah, okay, and there, and QM. Yes, that's great. I got it. And Q and yes, okay, finally. So let's get to the charts. Where are the charts? Okay, we've got the same news as yesterday. So yeah, that's kind of everything we've got about the news. So let's just trade. Since I blew my account yesterday, actually I did not blow it. I still have like $9 as a drawdown to lose, but obviously I won't be able to place any sort of trades without losing $9, because even if I reach it in a drawdown while trade is being played, I'll breach my account, which is definitely gonna happen because $9 is literally one tick or maybe two, I guess, something like that. So it's kind of impossible to not blow it. So yeah, I could consider it as a blown account, basically. So yeah, unfortunately this is what it is. And yeah, let me check if you could even hear me well, impossible to not blow it. So yeah, I could hear me at least a little bit fine. However, let's get to the chart. We've got Asia low, Asia high, and here it is, and London low, and here it is, London high. Okay, let's do the same thing with NQ. Asia low. Wherever Asia high could be here. Already pushed past through Asia high on both indexes. We are kind of making a bearish S&T because on ES we pushed past those highs, on NQ we didn't, so it is a bearish S&T. But wherever, let's look at the 4 hour. What do we have on a 4 hour? If we are edging those highs though, having Asia lows, we are bullish on the 4 hour on NQ. On ES though, we are also bullish on the 4 hour. But yeah, we're kind of bullish on the 4 hour, but NQ is probably a leading text to the upside, but we shall see. There is no bearish SMT on the higher time frame just yet. Let's get on 1 hour for now. What do we have in here? Is this, when we push past through literally everything, so the only high left is there. No more highs visible for me, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark out everything which I did not in the past, equal lows. Okay, that's kind of it. Yeah, we are having those moves, and this is kind of everything that we do have in here. On hourly, we are also bullish. On the 15-minute, we are also bullish. So yes, we are like, even though we are in a bearish S&T, technically it's not being confirmed since we have not like broken the structure or whatever. So I could be like considering that as a still bullish bias. So on the 5-minute, we are bearish already. Market just opened a minute ago. We already pushed past to London high on ES. And ES rips to the upside for now. Not gonna lie, yeah, let me see. Okay, so we do have We do have bought. Yes, pushes to the upside, keeps ripping while NQ goes down. We already in an uptrend on ES in the 5 minute, on NQ we are bearish, so indexes aren't aligned for now, so I just gotta wait until they align, because unless they align I will be able to even look for the market, because my strategy now allows me to. Okay, so yeah, kind of overall throughout my whole trading journey for now I'm down 1,653 bucks. Yeah, my goal is to like come back to zero, because when I started, like, I've been profitable for 3 months straight, and I've been on zero or even slightly positive throughout my whole journey. Throughout the last 2 months, I've lost too much, and like for now I'm done. Okay, indexes are doing completely two different things. So I'm not gonna lie, I gotta be careful. I'm not gonna lie. Swap liquidity here on NQ, while ES maintaining this bullish structure as fuck. Okay, NQ keeps dumping now. Since we are in a bearish SMT, I could be... Wait, are we an all-time high? No, obviously not. So we have those highs on NQ right here, and ES, you kind of not having anything, you know, solid. Or like those highs could be valid, but no. Yeah, they could be, but I'm not sure I want to take those, because they're like, it's been a huge amount of like bearish S&Ts on the higher time frames if we're talking about those highs, because ES already grabbed all of those besides those two, and NQ have only those highs, but all of those aren't taken out on NQ either, so each of those is a sign of SMT to the downside, which I'm not gonna lie isn't really a good thing, but whatever. Yeah, bro. Oh, bro. Yes, just keep sweeping. Yeah, yes, just keep sweeping. I genuinely do not like how that looks. Indexes aren't aligned, so I couldn't be looking for anything. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, NQ started to push this upside, but it's still maintaining this bearish structure, just so I can be like really sure about that. Yeah, and NQ keeps dumping, and ES also starts to dump. I could be like looking for ES to take out those highs, and kind of it's looking like a well thing, but while indexes are so them not aligned, I wouldn't be really liking to do so. But technically, as soon as NQ taking out like those London lows, the Samsung team will be no longer validated. I will take out the liquidity, so make a bullish S&T, and will kind of reverse, and ES will go up there. So yeah, if like ES starts to make some sort of a retracement right now, and I mean, okay, so if it's a retracement on ES right now, and while this retracement on Q will take out those lows, we could, simply take longs on ES and that'll be solid setup. But ES hasn't like made any sort of retrace for now. It's keep ripping, so yeah, that's probably not what's gonna happen. Probably ES will take out those highs, and Q will start dumping afterwards. That's probably what is going to happen. Probably, but maybe not. So I don't know, like why are we doing such different things on both indexes? But it is what it is. For now, I'm definitely not able to, sort of look for anything. Yankee just dumps, yes, just reaps. Two complete different behavior, like, holy fuck. Yeah, and ES is completely different thing. Wow, what the fuck? Is that like a tweeter or what? Let me check. Okay, that shit looks badly, like. ES even haven't broken the structure yet this downside. While MQ already about to take out the lows, Okay, we already grabbed those London lows, which means NQ is no longer like we already respected that SMT. We've made a retracement, so we could be going up on the ES, and that could be a good like setup to take. Maybe, oh fuck! Why do I have such an amount of like highs and lows and whatever? Oh, magnet isn't switched on. Aha, we already like adds that on NQ, right? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, now I'm gonna just blindly press longs. But how many like, oh fuck, how many points did I like choose? Oh fuck it, like here probably. And let's see how much would it be, like 300 maybe fine. But that'll be less for sure. Well, I'm like, I'd like to see a more proper retrace, since it is a retrace, yeah. But what point would make for me to enter off of this like inverse fair value gap, even if we did disrespect that, if like we barely have any like, for example, yes, we'll make some move like that, and there'll be a 0.93 RR. Like, what's the point of me like even doing that? And Q dumps, keeps dumping, while it's still bearish as fuck according to the 5-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we are bearish user on NQ. Oh, yes, it's bullish. NQ is bearish. How can I fucking like get that shit? Holy crap, bro. Nah. Okay, the thing I like is that we are kind of in a 5-minute fair value gap already on ES, and NQ keeps dumping, but we already grabbed significant draws and liquidity on NQ, so that as soon as we take out those lows, I guess we'll just reverse on ES and grab those highs. I think that is kind of really possible outcome in here. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm ideally would not like to trade unless indexes are lying, but yeah. I'm so proud of you. I like the way you kiss me. Welcome to me. Shall I just blindly press longs right now? Nah, for sure I'm not going to. Since ES keeps dumping. Yeah, we are having a one more 5-minute get, so unless we break through that point, I mean that for value gap, there is no point to worry about anything. But doesn't mean we will go, but the low will probably just remain somewhere over there, and this for value gap on ES, and then like reverse back up. Because realistically, I don't really think that before taking out those highs on ES, we'll just dump completely, and Q will just dump till Asia lows. I don't think that's realistic unless ES grabs, unless NQ makes a like retracement till the middle of the V-shaped shit. During that, ES will grab those highs and make one more bearish SMT, and after that will reverse, and probably NQ will be able to take out Asia lows. But for now, that's not really what I'm looking for. For now, I'm actually just waiting for the market to do its thing. There is no for value gaps. I mean, on the 1 minute to break the structure to the upside. So the nearest break of structure is there, and it's not really cool for me, since on the 5 minute we are making a huge wick, and usually when market does such a wick, it's not really cool. I probably will just smack through that week after on the next 5-minute candlestick, and that's not really what I'm looking for. So if we make such a huge week, I'd rather not take a trade on that, even if we break the structure. Just realistically, it works this way. I mean, according to my experience, probably for someone it doesn't work this way, but for me it does. So. We're looking cool for longs, I'm not gonna lie, since we're having those highs. If not, that would be a cool short opportunity, but I don't like to trade. Actually, I'm not likely taking any trades just yet, since we are, like in Texas, are telling me complete two different things, and yeah, that's not really cool enough. Okay, we're closing this gap. NQ keeps dumping. Okay, NQ keeps dumping. Probably I'm seeing what is going to happen. And my plan, like, what am I thinking that could happen? But that we inverse this fair value gap on the 5 minute on ES. That will mean, that we are breaking the structure just downside in the 5 minute on ES, which is great for my strategy. Then indexes will be aligned because of that, because NQ is bearish and ES will turn bearish as well at that point. Then I'll be waiting for some retrace on the 1 minute, like when both indexes are breaking the structure to the upside on the 1 minute, and then they break the structure back down. I'll be just taking a trade on NQ, taking shorts on NQ till Asia lows. It's really possible, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, it's really looking possible. I'll probably going to wait for that. Yeah, that's looking solid, but unlike like we're only gonna break the structure on ES, even if we are going to, it is going to happen in only like 4 minutes. So we're gonna wait until like 9:50. Please, ES does something like that, then we for some retrace back up. Yeah, afterwards, like it could become a good short opportunity for me on NQ. But let me first, see how are we. Fuck, I have this shit again. Okay, on the hourly, kind of targeting on NQ. I'm kind of targeting Asia lows, which are here. Okay, here. Basically here, right? Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, so we are kind of targeting those lows on NQ. Hmm. Shorts. Here's that. Oh, fuck. No, it's definitely not what I look for. Right? Last. Yeah, kind of like that. 3.4. Okay, so 0.4. But for now, that's not what I'm looking for. If Enki Jump just takes out London lows to, like without me, I think I'm just gonna hop off the market and think like there would be more opportunities in such a case, Because yeah, there could be the way that we are going to take out London lows and ES afterwards if the market keeps dumping. But realistically, taking shorts after grabbing such a drop in liquidity to the downside already on like any of indexes, that could be really risky, and I don't really think would want that. I don't really think that would worth it, since usually my trades are about like 1-1 RR, maybe like more, actually more RR, but I lose too much. I lose too many times in a row, and I lost already. Actually, I'm like, you can witness it in my trading journal. Like like a win, loss. Like here's a win, loss, win, loss. So as you can see, bros, like my amount of losses I've got already are like even hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I think it keeps dumping. That's fact because we are approaching our London lows, and actually market isn't even looking like it's going to make any sort of retracement just yet. But again, there was no SMT. I mean, like a good SMT shit. I don't really think there was an entry on that. Okay, maybe if like ES grabbed those lows, those highs, I'm sorry, it could be counted as an SMT and could dump, and ES will dump as well. That could be an entry, even without a proper retrace or whatever, because of the SMT. But ES were completely ripping all the time for like 10 minutes or something, while NQ were like completely was dumping as fuck all the time, and it keeps dumping lately. So I didn't really think that was worth it to enter before. So I don't think I missed anything. Okay, return direction, yes. So for now, I'll be waiting for a retrace. If there would be no retrace, then I'm like, I'll be fine with that. But I'm just probably not going to take any trades. Yeah, I'm probably not going to, but yeah, like London lows are good, but I don't know. Maybe I should really like do such a thing. What do you think? Yeah, we'll definitely take out the London, no, Asia low without me. I'm sure about that. I don't really think we'll make any sort of retrace before. Yeah, I don't really think that will happen. So, but there is a way that that thing will keeps dumping until he has grabbed those lows. Nah, no, I'm just gonna either hop off or probably even consider longs. Since it's too early in the market, like the only thing why I'm probably thinking of staying on the market is because we are kind of probably will manage to reverse properly according to my strategy even, and I'll probably gonna handle to take a trade, take longs, but I'm not sure, bro. I almost took out those Asian loans though, while I was speaking, and I'm not sure, like, yeah, I do not believe I'll make a proper retrace or whatever, so I'm like mostly sure we'll just make it like that, but sure, yeah, it could be fine, but again, bruh, if we make a proper retrace, nah, it wouldn't make sense. Maybe if I enter like exactly at that moment, maybe, but I'm not sure it will not like stop me out. So why should I risk like that? It wouldn't make sense. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, it's looking like it's about to break the structure to the upside in the 1 minute, which is meaning that it is a kind of retracement. But bro, like what makes it doesn't make sense if it just trips right now. What should I like take? $3 or whatever. Like I think it's too much lots because like $200 for such a move is really a few. Okay, so let me open Keek and check what TGR thinks about that. Is he gonna hop off or keeps staring at the chart?
Should we do another stream for Asia session?
What the fuck? He tweets London session, New York session. But is he gonna stay or like? He's not saying anything just yet. Yeah, that should like realistically ain't 2.5.
I need our winning day. Gang, I hate to break it to you, you ain't getting no winning day.
Oh.
You ain't getting a winning day, bro. You might as well take a losing day. You might as well blow that funded, brother. IRL's in the morning, Asia at night.
Wait, I'm gonna close the stream now since we're like, because I thought we were about to take out those London Asia. I'm sorry, I'm always like mistaken with those names. But I thought we like already has taken out those Asia lows and then we did not. We are making a proper retrace for now on the 5 minute. If we end up not breaking the structure to the upside on ES on the 5 minute, because on NQ it's really not happening. I don't believe that, but on ES it's kind of looking like it's probably going to. And we are making a retrace right now on NQ. I would like NQ to keep ripping. I'm not going to buy. But yeah. Maybe selling that right now would be a fine idea, but yeah, that's kind of cool. Could be cool, yeah. Now why is that like that? The fuck? Bro. Yeah. If it makes the proper retrace, that'll be fire, bro. That'll be fire. Because it's on the last gap on the 5 minute on the ES though, so we're kind of having. Oh, wait, what the fuck? we're kind of having this gap as well up here. I can get rid of that one because we already like, I don't care about that one. And he's making a retrace as well, so that's cool. I'm not gonna lie. If it goes like, I like that Anki does not go any higher while ES keeps reaping. I would like both indexes to like reap for now, since I want a proper retrace, because like for now shorting on those laws is kind of huge. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, it's really fucked. Oh, that's looking cool. That's looking cool. That's looking cool, bros. Ooh, yeah, that's fire that we're reaping right now. Cause like, I don't really think like the only concern I have is that if ES breaks breaks through this inverse for value gap, and that will mean on the 5 minutes we are bullish already on an ES, and indexes will no longer be aligned, so I'm no longer technically will be able to look for trades. Yeah, that's the only concern. But as long as we are staying bearish on both indexes, it's looking short opportunity as fuck. But if NQ pushes this upside before that, because like if it just breaks the structure somewhere over there, what's the point of like shorting that? That's not really making point. Do we have any other targets for NQ, like possible targets? Yeah, we are having like those lows down there. It's not, no, it's just cluster of liquidity, but it's not low. They're having only that low and it's really far, so I don't really think that's worth it. Fuck. I don't like that ES reaps and NQ barely moves to the upside. That's fuck. I could be really short in that with like being almost sure that will play out, but with no stop loss, but that's risky and not really professional, I'd say. So I understand that I'm on that one, not even on my like FTMO account or whatever, so I could afford the risk, but I am stacking my statistics anyways, so why should I like do such a thing? Yeah, if this 1 minute candlestick closes above this value gap, it would mean that I'm not looking for trades for today. Most likely, I think, at least. The fuck, indexes are moving in complete two different directions or what? Again, I mean, they've been doing that the whole day. Maybe it's time to freaking align. Your friends, guys. Okay, NQ pushed those upsides. That's great. That's great. And ES isn't. Yes, okay, we did not break the structure, and NQ pushed this upside significantly. That's great. Okay, that's absolutely fantastic, bro. I'm not gonna lie. What about the Fibonacci should? What did we like? I think it's pretty fucking fire from now. So I'm not concerned. That's great actually. That's looking like actual chance for shorts, bro. Like genuinely. So yeah, that shit is fire, I guess. But the thing I like is that like ES keeps reaping and it almost hit that Fibonacci like 79% extension point. That is bad. Bro, we did almost hit it, bro. That's fucked. Nah, we hit it. Shit. No, realistically, I shouldn't take any trades today. Because we are, like, making a V-shape retracement right now. What about 50 minutes? How does it look? Because ES is looking long, like bullish as fuck on 15 minutes. Yeah, obviously NQ is looking bearish and it's having a low resistance liquidity to the downside, but ES also has those highs and it's really going higher all the time. So kind of have to be careful. And like, literally got 2 minutes until this 5-minute candlestick closes, and it's obviously going to break through this for rally gaps. Realistically, there is no game, there is no way we'll take shorts in here. We are just keep moving higher and higher, bro. If this shit ends up closing, this candlestick ends up closing inside this gap and not breaking, like, and not about that, there'll be fire, bro. Because I'll literally, there would be literally the moment I enter. Yeah, that's literally gonna be my entry, bro. Oh fuck, you can see? Oh, you can't see. Fine. That's good. Okay, so the break of structure is kind of there. If like, that's fucked. We broke the structure to the upside, bro, on the 5-minute. Yes. Shit. Bro, but that, fuck. Brother, fuck it, bro, like. If we break the structure to the downside, I'm shorting about that. We already broke on ES, but because it could be a retrade. Yeah, that's looking like a good thing. Because literally for now we could like start a retrace on ES, and during that retrace ES will grab those lows. It's really possible. But for now there is no break of structure, even right now, so I cannot be entering. Because both indexes, at least like in such a scenario when ideally I shouldn't even take a trade at all, both indexes should definitely take it, like break the structure, and they didn't do it, so I cannot enter like that. Yeah, and now they're repeating both of them. So yeah, probably that's just like I'm just gonna call it today. I'm gonna wait till we take any sort of like fuck, fuck it, bro. Long gun, yes. Freaking long. Freaking long gun, yes, bro. Why wouldn't I do that? Why wouldn't I? Yeah, why not, bro? Why not? Cap, press longs. I'm. You can already see my stop loss and take profit, so. Yeah, I know that, like, technically it's not the ideal entry since DEX is well and truly aligned. However, fuck it. It's moving towards the downside. That's the thing I don't like. But, yeah, I know that, like, they weren't aligned. I mean, indexes. So technically, I shouldn't be entering like that. But Russell's highs are looking too solid. And yes, reaps this upside. So why wouldn't I take this? Since I'm on demo, if I was on like my FTMO, I wouldn't take that. But like, since I'm on a freaking demo, I have nothing to lose. So why not? And it is showing me right now why it is very better to follow my strategy since like it's probably going to go down. But liquidity is solid to the upside, I mean, and it's obvious that market will want to get that at one point in time. So probably why wouldn't it do it right now? Since yes, we've made a break of structure. It was a retrace, so kind of then break back up. So yeah, indexes weren't aligned again, so it's not a proper setup. I should it's like so I shouldn't have taken that ideally, but I took it since like again like why not? I'm just interested. Did he take that? Like most likely no, since I already told you like it's not a valid setup. But I'm interested in if he took it anyways.
Less guessing and more discipline will help the Fed stay flexible, credible,
He's
and
listening to some
focused.
shit.
The
Flexible.
5 independent task forces that you set up also sends a very important signal.
Okay, he did not.
Fed
He did not take that. Yeah, it's kind of understandable. So not hack it, bro. Like I don't think it's still bearish, but not gonna lie, it's too far. Like, nah, it's not too far, but yes, it was weeping too much, so I could, that I could believe that it will go back down. So for now, I prefer longs more shorts. Simply because market already reversed so much that I don't think that will reverse back again, like for the third time a day. For what, like at least not unless ES grabs those highs. That's why I think that longs could make sense, but whatever. According to my strategy, it wasn't a good trade, so I'll admit lose as like obviously will be fine. Nah, not looking good. Let me join all that. Nah, fuck it. It was. I don't remember if there was an SMT, so I once my best out. That was simple break of structure and like wasn't even a proper retrace. So how much did I risk on that? Like 100, right? Ah, okay, 1.3%. Okay, by the way, it's not a few. Not gonna lie. 1.3%. Well, most likely I'll be stopped out. But yeah, MQ moves towards this downside. We did not break the structure just yet, yeah, right? No, we did break. We did break the structure. We did not break it here, but we didn't resist for value gap, so kind of we already in a bearish structure. You could also potentially sweep that on NQ and not sweep it on ES. We'll make a bullish SMT, will go up. That's also possible, but again, bro. I'm interested if TGR is going to take shorts off of that. Because, like, technically on MQ it's looking like a good short setup, but since indexes aren't aligned, actually it's the same situation, like why I did take longs in here, so if there was no setup, but I did take them anyways, and he'll probably take the same, according to the same reason he'll take shorts probably on MQ. But yeah, I haven't been stopped out just yet. Sheesh. Haven't been stopped out still. And holy fuck, bro. I did not get stopped out, bro. Somehow. Nah, but NQ keeps dumping. Nah, bro, it's just dumping so much. NQ. Bro. Wow, bro, like, seriously? ever equal. Imagine if that shit hits like my TP. But wait, did he take short on that? I'm almost sure he did. I'm interested because like, I don't know.
To do his bidding.
Thanks,
He could hijack the
Oh, he
Fed's
did.
extraordinary powers to bail out financial markets, making sure
Bro.
that he will.
Okay, we're just looking, bro. Just upside. Probably even take short on the ES after on Nanq afterwards, cause like that's looking fire. Bro, like, insane, absolutely insane. And that shit could go real low afterwards. Like, I'm genuinely thinking of taking shorts on that on NQ. I mean, after we take out those odds on ES. Yeah, I'm only up fucking $30 right now. By the way, I should be like, my TP should be lower for sure, like here, I guess, yeah. Like, I wanna take shorts on MK. Really, bro. Oh, fuck it, I'm taking shorts. What, bro? Why, bro? No, 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 no. I'm closing that shit. Why? No, I don't want to enter with such a position, bro. Like, that's fucked. That's really fucked. I closed that. Okay, phew. Fortunately, I ended up not like blowing my entire column in that trade because I overreached. I forgot that I didn't change my position. That could end up like, bro. No, that's fucked. I just entered with a horrible position. I'm not gonna like note that in my trading view or whatever, but that was fucked. Bro, I literally probably going to win the trade only because I put my stop loss 1 point below that fucking low. That's the only reason. Yeah, I would still like to. I would touch a position. Bro, shorts. Shorts. Holy fuck. Probably going to get stopped out on that. Okay, okay, I didn't get stopped out. But I will, so. Okay, I closed out right now on ES. I lost $113 on that. somewhere in the middle of that candle, like here. Close that shit out. 42 bucks up. That's fine. So I'm down 62 bucks on today. I'm not gonna take any more trades, but whatever. Nah, today market just been volatile. Yeah, I was just playing, you know, because literally I shouldn't be taking any trades according to my strategy. So it wasn't kind of emotional thing or whatever. I just wanted to take the trade since like it is a demo and I'm risking anything. So that's kind of this is it. So I didn't want I wouldn't take the trade if I was on my FTM or anywhere else. I just took it because like both of those trades because I basically have nothing to lose now. No, I'm gonna leave it. I don't wanna like play more with that. But let me see. Okay, what is that? Oh, okay. 114.4. 114.4. 113.4. And 42.36. 42.36. Kind of like that, right? Yeah. Here we go in. Some like liquidity and break of structure. I don't know how much there is, but like probably like I don't know, maybe 1% or whatever. I did not follow that. Oh fuck. Yeah, I should have short. Okay, like should have stayed in those shorts. But whatever, that's what it is. 62 down 62.24 bucks on the 80. No, I did not it was blue account day before, so I kind of played with the market since I'm on demo. Same. Didn't have to trade. Basically, this is it. Didn't have to trade and didn't have to trade. Again, like, yeah, I know I kind of lost on the day some money, but that was fun, you know. I was just playing this market. I'm not gonna do that tomorrow since I want to try to stick to my rules, you know, from now on. Not really. Not really. Today I traded just for fun since it is first day on demo. So I did not stick to my rules for fun. And the same situation is right here. We are keep dumping, bro. Yeah, I should have like short. Keep myself in those shorts. I mean, however. Okay, let's call it a day for today. Let's call it a day for today. As you can see, my balance on them has changed. Okay, bros, I think I'm gonna call it today. Tomorrow we're gonna trade for sure. We can like find day to trade because Trump only speaks at 9 p.m., which I don't care about anymore. So, yeah, let's just see you guys all tomorrow on my new stream. Didn't end up taking a trade today, so I'll see you on my second day on demo tomorrow.